हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मेरे चैनल का नाम टेक्निकल नूर है। यहाँ पर मैं आपके लिए मुख्तलिफ किस्म के टोकन्स और वेबसाइट्स लेकर आती हूँ, जहाँ आप अपनी रकम को इन्वेस्ट करके बहुत सारा बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हमारी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, मेरी वीडियोज़ को लाइक कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पर टिक कर दीजिए, ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली मेरी हर न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। तो दोस्तों, जो मैं आपके लिए आज वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूँ बहुत अमेजिंग वेबसाइट है, जिसका नाम है HiCardBnB.com। HiCardBnB KYC वेरीफाइड $HiCard audit passed, a token of HiCard games ecosystem, a gaming ecosystem token focused on the distribution of reward to its holders and players. About why HiCard, a revolutionary gaming token that reward its player after every 5 game plays. 2% instant reward. For every transaction, 2% of high card tokens are rewarded to its active holders. This encourages a healthy, decentralized community, and more activity will result in greater rewards. Security audit. High card smart contract is undergoing a rigorous audit to ensure that there are no risks for investors and the security of their funds. This will help further increase trust in our ecosystem. 2% liquidity. ICA transaction also add 2% of its liquidity, ensuring that user can trade with confidence. 5% marketing reserve. ICARD is committed to growing the business and reserves 5% of all transaction revenue for marketing purposes. Tokenomics token distribution. Rewards all location, advisors, ecosystem expansion, marketing reserve, founders and team, influencer distributed to company sale. Roadmap. Our predefined roadmap below is provided to lay out key milestones we aim to each for further development of our ecosystem and community as a whole. January 2020 pre-sale, token launch, website launch, token audit, game launch on Binance, frequency added question. Token. What is a high card token? High card is a BEP20 token of an high card ecosystem designed to reward the player and the holders as well. For every 5 game played, you will receive certain amount of high card tokens. You can also receive 2% per every transaction of high card on Binance Smart Chain. How much should be the slippage rate? Try to put minimum 10% slippage rate for a successful transaction. Is there a KYC process involved? KYC process is only involved on the exchange and you will have to honor their requirements. There is no KYC requirement on the swapping sites, for where you can as well buy high card using your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Why should I buy high card tokens? iCard is a reward token, and with every reward, the price actually moves up, helping long term investors to gain from their investment. As a holder, you receive 2% of every high card transaction on Binance Smart Chain. You also get reward 10 000 high card tokens for every 5 game you play in the game. The game will be launched before the end of January 2022. Which cryptocurrencies can I use to participate in the token sale? For now, HiCard is only available on Binance Smart Chain, so it can be transacted with BNB only. What is the token address? Here's a link to the token contract. Click here. हम क्लिक here पे क्लिक करेंगे दोस्तों। आगे आप खुद देख सकते हैं क्या टोकन एड्रेस है और क्या इधर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है। Pre-sale. What is the pre-sale rate? For 1 BNB, you will get 100000000 high card tokens. What will be the listing rate? The listing rate will be 90000000 per BNB. So 1 BNB is equal 90000000 high card tokens after pre-sale completion. Will the liquidity be locked? Yes, the pre-sale is on Pink Sale website. The URL will be relieved in the social media channel soon. As soon as the pre-sale is completed, the liquidity is set to be locked for 3 years. Are you visiting tokens for security? Yes, all the remaining tokens not all located for pre-sale are being vested. All those tokens will be released in certain all locations every month for to create for the ecosystem expansion and marketing purposes. फ्रेंड्स उसके बाद हमारे पास है गेम. हाउ टू पे द गेम. द गेम विल इन्वॉल्व टू प्लेयर्स. Everyone joining will have to pick a room that then selects your opponent for you. Once the opponent is selected, the card is drawn to both the opponent and whoever gets the highest card with the game. What is the over to win the game? If you win the game, you get reward 1.8x against the tokens you place as a bet if you played the game for 1 BNB, and if you win you will get 1.8 BNB as a winning amount. Will I get the winning amount directly in my wallet? Once you win the game you will be asked to claim the winning tokens. So friends, A2 high card BNB, a two-player crypto blockchain-based card game to earn BNB at every game. About high card white पेपर प्ले रोड मैप FAQ कॉन्टैक्ट. दोस्तों हम इनके साथ कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं फेसबुक, ट्विटर और टेलीग्राम पर. इसके बाद मैं आपको अबाउट 3 लाइन्स के बारे में बताऊंगी. होम, अबाउट, टोकनॉमिक्स, रोड मैप, FAQ, ऑडिट, वाइट पेपर, प्ले, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर एंड ईमेल. दोस्तों हमारी आज की वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होती है.